We should go like...
Thanks, copycats. What the hell? What the hell? What the hell?
Hi! Hi, Mom!
I want to put that wreath on my head. Dangerous.
Hold on, I'm not gonna...
Are you okay?
What did you think that would work? Now my butt hurts. Oh, it's not there. I think it's bleeding.
It's kind of funny that you're dusting it. This is good footage right here.
Oh, okay.
Don't break that thing. I don't know what it is.
How appetizing.
Well, it's not like you have to eat this.
Please.
We can take these off.
Wow, that's cool. Can I stop filming?
Yeah.
Yeah.